seed of corruption in Cotton Town. You built your kingdom just to tear it down. Named your enforcers the sons of thunder, but their tools are fear, tearing truth asunder. When they voted you down, you cast them out. Silenced their voices, erased their doubts. The flock was yours, or so you believed, but the shepherd knows, and he's not deceived. Sons of thunder, fists of clay, breaking the truth to keep power in play. A throne of lies, it won't stand long. The kingdom of greed will crumble and be gone. You called them warriors, defenders of grace, but they're just pawns in your twisted space. Squashing questions, they do your will, trading the word for the blood they spill. You dressed them in pride, gave them your name, told them they'd rise, but they're tools in your game. The sons of thunder, blind and chained, striking down justice in your kingdom of shame. Sons of thunder, fists of clay, breaking the truth to keep power in play. A throne of lies, it won't stand long. The kingdom of greed will crumble and be gone. You built your empire with fear as the glue, but cracks in the foundation are showing through. The sons of thunder, they're starting to see they're not warriors of God, they're your puppets to be. The voices you silenced, the votes you erased, will rise like thunder in this hollow space. The shepherd's justice, it won't be delayed. Your false crowns falling, your debts are paid. Sons of thunder, no more